Hi, good evening, students. My name is Srinivas. Today we are going to discuss parts of speech in English grammar. Parts of speech. How many kinds of parts of speech? Do you know that? Yes, 8 kinds of parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These are kinds of parts of speech. Total 8 kinds of parts of speech. I hope you could clear. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These are 8 kinds of parts of speech. Yes. First, we are going to discuss about noun. My dear student, noun. Noun mean the naming part is called noun. Naming part is called noun. Actually, nouns are 5 kinds of nouns there. First one is proper noun. Second one is common noun. Third one is collective noun. Fourth one is abstract noun. Fifth one is material noun. These are kinds of nouns. I hope you could clear. First one is proper noun. Second one is common noun. Third one is collective noun. Fourth one is abstract noun. Last one is material noun. These are kinds of nouns. Okay, first we are going to discuss proper noun. What is meant by proper? What is meant by noun? Proper mean one's own. One's own or particular. One's own or particular. Noun means name. My dear student, example is Nikhil is my student. Nikhil is my student. Here, Nikhil, that is called proper noun. Second one is Mr. Srinivas is my teacher. Mr. Srinivas, that is called proper noun. I hope you could clear this one. All names of noun, it is called proper noun. The second one is common noun. Common is equal called by all. Called by all. Noun is equal name. Called by all. For example, teacher. For example, doctor, engineer. Common. What is this? Marker. What is that? Bench. What is that? Fan. What is that? Yes, fish. So these are three common nouns. All. He is my teacher. Teacher. Common noun. So he is a doctor. Common noun. He is an engineer. Common noun. Common mean called by all. Noun means name. I hope you could clear this one. For example, my dear student, here what is the difference between proper and common? Proper mean with names, without names, common noun. For example, ball, that is common noun. Here rubber ball or stumper ball, rubber ball, so volleyball, so that is with names, that is called proper noun. Without names, common noun. Paste, common noun. Paste. Colgate paste, proper noun. Soap, common noun. Santur soap, proper noun. Oil, common noun. Sunflower oil, proper noun. I hope you could clear this one. The next one, collective noun. Collective mean a group of. Noun mean name. For example, a bunch of keys, a mob of animals, a bouquet of flowers, so these are collective nouns. I hope you could clear this one. Abstract noun. Abstract mean simply we can identify that we can't see and touch. We can't see and touch. చూడలేము, టచ్ చేయలేము. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, I have a lot of strength. I have a lot of strength. Can you touch my strength? No. Strength is abstract noun. We breathe in air. We breathe in air. Can we see air? No. So it is comes to that abstract noun. I hope you could clear this one. Material noun. All kinds of metals. All kinds of metals. Iron is a strong metal. Gold is a precious metal. Gold, iron, book, pen. So these are all kinds of materials. Materials. So these are material nouns. I hope you could clear this one. How can we identify nouns? How do we identify nouns? Nouns ni మనం ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి? Ending with a word, ness, tion, sion, ance, ence, hood, me అంటే logy, ism. So these are nouns. I hope you could clear this one. Ending with a word, ness, tion, sion, ance, ence, hood, me అంటే logy, ism. So these are nouns. For example, ness, goodness, noun. tion, nation, noun. sion, passion, noun. ance or ence, comprehends, appearance. hod, childhood. me అంటే betterment. logy, psychology. ism, patriotism. So these are nouns. For example, teaching is my passion. Teaching is my passion. Underline the word which parts of speech అని అడుగుతుంటాడు. Passion, yes, this is noun. I hope you could clear this one. This I hope you could clear this one. Passion, noun. This is the example of nouns. Next, I will give you some examples. So these are some examples of given. My dear students, some examples of nouns. The teacher explained the lesson. Here, teacher. The teacher, noun. Lesson, also noun. A dog barked loudly. A dog, noun. I bought a new book. Book, noun. The children played in the park. Can you guess? Yes, children, noun. She won the first prize. Praise, noun. Once you guess, sixth one. Realism helps writer's life. Ending with ISM. Rowdyism, realism, patriotism. These are nouns. Her achievement was praised by everyone. Ending with MANT. Her achievement was praised by everyone. Achievement, noun. The education system needs improvement. Once you guess, education, TION, improvement, MANT. So these are nouns. I hope understand. Thank you one and all. Please subscribe my channel. This was shining up.